Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know so they attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, and I mean say attack. So, my viewers and my subscribers, right about now, people, boy, me have a really sad story for talk about, people. Zine, and I could never see the story and not talk about it, not highlight it, or show some respect and show my condolences to this youth. Because there's so much things with this youth, people, who dropped out yesterday, people. Tell us, say, he was riding his motorcycle and them say, yo, a car, you know what I mean? They don't know, so some crazy driver out there, my viewers some, and subscribers, some really crazy drivers. Cause them say, I riding motorcycle, people, you understand, in a section of St. Anne, when a car comes a boom and, boy, lose control and knock the youth off and bike, people, and gone. The car not even stop. So them say a Toyota Corolla, people, just comes a boom and move and gone after committing a very drastical thing like this. And to tell you the truth, people, them say this youth who was a very popular party promoter, you understand, of a series of party where them call him Benjamin's people. So you don't know that thing they go. And he was originally from St. Mary in Jamaica. Zine, and to tell you the truth, people, them say he's from St. Mary, live at St. Mary, people, but this man works in Montego Bay at a hotel. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, so you see, this youth is a very good youth, a very determined youth, people, and you have to respect a youth like this and show your respect. And sadly, him gone. Because look, the people, the man are left and we are St. Mary, you know, for God done a mobby, go do him 9 to 5, my people, with a motorcycle, Just imagine people say, no, say, I'm going to bunny good on there, and I'm going to lick it out and wheel it out, people, and sadly, my viewers and subscribers, them say the car comes a boom, lick the youth off and buy people, driver and a stop, driver and a check, driver gone, about in business. So if you tell us say you have some wicked, you know, and some dreadful sin thing there at Jamaica, only Jah sees and knows. So let me just read this little thing and now, people, based on the little thing where them say go on and what happened with this car and whatever happened. You understand? Yeah. Them say the incident occurred shortly after 8:30 a.m. in the vicinity of Old Folly Road. Alleged eyewitnesses said the motorcyclist, believed to be in his late 30s, unsuccessfully attempted to avoid the car as it sped towards him. The biker, who was clad in a brown t-shirt and a pair of shorts, according to the alleged eyewitnesses, was rushed to a nearby hospital by an ambulance provided by the Noranda Backside Company. He later died. The driver of the Toyota Corolla fled the scene before officers arrived. See? So police today now, right now, police are looking for this driver, people. This wicked driver. Because he might come some boom, you know, and go licking at the youth, people. Zane and the youth try to avoid him. You will turn up dead. Zine, and the driver gone, about him business in the top. Because basically, him say him no want to get in that trouble, people. Him not think about nobody life. Zine, him even a priest and looking at me by the time, if when him knock the youth or whatever happen, if the youth try to sight him and skip out of him vehicle, people, him could have maybe save the youth life, but him not pray that. The wicked sin thing now pray that. The wicked sin thing just a pray, so yo, him want to get himself out of this, he want to get out of trouble, he don't want to get another problem, people. And gone. But only Jah sees and he knows. Such a wicked thing. I mean, I tell the people, there's a lot of people that show love. There's a lot of people that pour out them respect. You know what I mean? I've seen where co-workers from the hotel that show love. Everybody has say, yo, them can't believe him gone. Some people have say, yo, who am I used to reason? Who am I used to chat? No, me and your youth and you just gone like that. But if I tell you, I'm going to say this all the while. Bikers, boy, you don't know what me always say about bike people. You know what I mean? As a youth, me always say, I don't like bike. Bikers what me hate. And me would have never ride one. I don't want to go on none. You see it? And I really love people. I hate bikes so much. But don't know where go. When me hate, a lot of people love. You understand? And when me love, maybe a lot of people hate. So I just sit and I can't force a man for doing a one way. You know what I mean? And what is a man comfort and comfort? And a man may make up his mind, say, you know, say, this same love and that thing I got to do. But when me always look upon my viewers and subscribers is, these men who are driving car, me drive car, people, see? But me always look out. Me I tell you the truth. Me always a look out, people, on the road. Me always a watch. But a lot of men, people who drive, 80% or 90% of people who drive car, drive on the road, people, them not look out, them not check for bike, people. See? Them not look out. You get what I'm saying? Them not look out people, and that's it. This is why you find so much accident people where motorists are kill off the bikers them. Because motorists are drive people, them a look out say you a big car, but when they look up bike, they not check people. And it's just sad. See, we should know say you have some bike who ride the bikes them really crazy, and some of them do kill off themselves. A lot of them do kill off themselves, people, but a lot of time motorists come to boom and lick the bikers them off for the car people, and yo, only just Caesar knows. So we just want to say rest in peace to this youth, people. See, correct name of them say Siobhan Walters, rest in peace, youth. You don't know one of the Walters family. You know what I mean? And my condolences to all your staff, co-workers, and all your families them. Big up to the whole St. Mary family side where you come from, the whole of the link them where you got up there. And big up to the whole party crew from the Benjamin's family. You don't know come from the attacking boss, NEWLINK himself. And you don't know, may your soul rest in peace because it's not a good look. See, a lot of people maybe a look out for your party and think come back in knowing that things are get back together, and them say the party in sector so soon open back, you know what I mean? And if you know say you just gone like this, boy, it's just a sad one with people, but it's life. It's life, you know, people. Same way you could have car, you see a car crash and how much people gone from the car people and this and that, but wow, the bike thing is just not my thing, people, and it's just sad. If you know say one young warrior just drop out, just gone like that, and in could have there we do it to the people, but I just life. As I tell you, I just life, man. But may his soul rest in peace, Zane. And viewers and subscribers, we really have to be careful out there. Zane, we have to be careful. No joke about it. Some people now be careful, you know, Zane. But we all have to be careful. Whether you drive a car, ride a bike, whether you walk your foot, you have to be on the lookout, people, because it's crazy. And when I say the devil let go people, see, sometimes I say to people, I say, NEWLINK, the devil not let go people, just careless and this and that. But the devil let go of them, man. See? So at any given time, any moment, things can do happen, and that's it. See? 3 points just gone, cut short like that. And all we have to do, we have to just try for the best, for just do the right thing. That's all me can say, my people. Let's just do the right thing. See? So rest in peace, Benjamin. You don't know the whole party family and the whole party crew. They might look out and, you know, it's just so you go. It's life. One of them there. See? So my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself every time, my people, and just continue to do the right thing, continue to build up on yourself, and you understand we don't know it go people. See? It's rough out there. It's tough out there as well, the artists, that's the people, but you don't know, we still have to just do the right thing, and you know, just be careful. It's not easy. See, love your brothers, love your sister, see, and every week, every farmer, nobody wait till them gone, you know. They go come and say, I love you, or I miss you, and you start cry. Show them love every time. See, because if you truly love somebody, you're not going to wait till when bad things do happen where you go pour out the love. You must show your love every day, every time. Make the love be felt, or not just when you want something from somebody, you show them love. Because some people intend, you know, when they want something, they say you see the best of them. But when them do get what they want, oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK is a different side there, see. But only Jah sees and he knows. My people, big up on yourself, man. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell. So as I chop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, my people, and Facebook and Twitter. And do big up on yourself every time. Peace out. More love, more respect. Attack full force. Big up.